Good day everyone, I am Mac James Billones. Today, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich traditional expressions and performing arts of the Philippines. These art forms are not just performances, they are living reflections of our history, identity, and values as Filipinos. So through music, dance, theater, and all traditions, our ancestors have passed down their stories, beliefs, and emotions for generations. Music and dance, the heart of Filipino expression. Filipinos have always had a deep connection to music and dance. Long before modern instruments, our ancestors used gongs, lutes, and drums to celebrate life. Takulintang and Kudyapi are just a few examples of how music expresses love, sorrow, and even warrior tales. Dance is another powerful storytelling tool. Tinikling mimics the graceful movements of birds, while Singkil portrays a princess navigating an enchanted forest. These dances embody our history, creativity, and resilience. Theater and rituals, stories in motion. Even before books and films, Filipinos used theater to share experiences and beliefs. The Muro-Muro depicted historic battles, while the Sinakulo brought Christ's passion to life. Indigenous groups like the Ifugao have poetic chants like Hudhud, keeping ancestral wisdom alive. Oral traditions, keeping stories alive. Many of our cultural treasures have survived through word of mouth. The Darangen of the Maranao and the Ulangihan of the Manubu tell epic tales of love, bravery, and honor. However, with fewer people learning these traditions, we risk losing them forever. So preserving our heritage in today's digital world, traditional arts might seem outdated, but they remain relevant. Festivals like Panagbenga and Kadayawan help showcase indigenous traditions, while schools and cultural groups keep them in education. However, preservation is a shared responsibility. We can support local artists, watch performances, and learn about our heritage. So why it matters? Traditional arts are more than just cultural relics. They are the soul of the Filipino spirit. They remind us of who we are and where we come from. As we move forward, let's celebrate and preserve these traditions for future generations. And that's all. Thank you.